multi-million-dollar homes yan, guys. Mga mamahalin na mga property dito sa California, sa LA area. Still not LA, but it's outside LA, but still.
Going up toward Pasadena.
Towards Pasadena. Oh, Pasadena is very expensive.
Oh yeah, yeah it is.
Pasadena is very expensive. Alright, our live is ending soon. 6 minutes to go. Our live is ending soon. 6 minutes to go. Thank you for joining me this morning. We're on Highway 210 towards Pasadena and San Bernardino. Thank you sa mga nanood dyan sa ating live. Thank you so much. Hey, my friend in Japan, are you still there? JMD, and are you still there? Shout out to JMD, YTC, 20CH from Japan. Shout out to Miss Kayak, 7Cs, very supportive. Shout out to Atineng, USA. Oh, diba? And shout out sa aking mga members. Philippine Islands and USA Adventure. Pia Orchids Garden, USA. The Adventures of Lily and Sammy. Pinay Campers. Imelda Ingram, USA. LVSS USA, Delikers USA, sino pa? Ivy Madrid Aligado, Chi Madrid Aligado, at sa iba pa na aking mga member na hindi ko na nabanggit, Sisi Uyaho, Angging V Vlog from Canada, si Lorna Magday Vlog from Canada. Sino pang mga hindi ko nabanggit? So, ilan lang yun sila sa aking mga bagong member ng aking YouTube channel. Alright? Sa lahat ng mga Pia Melo team, Team Magaganda, Team Poyeters, team ko, thank you so much sa inyong pag-suporta sa aking small YouTube channel, diba?